Tartar removal. When I have tartar on my teeth, I only use this unique ingredient to remove it. Oral hygiene is one of the most important factors that everyone must learn to carry out, because the plaque is a fairly common problem that can turn into tartar and contaminate our mouth, causing many more serious problems. If you want to learn how to remove tartar from your teeth but do not have the money or the time to visit a dentist, it's time to discover the natural way to achieve this, also without leaving home. Tartar occurs because saliva plaque hardens and becomes yellowish in hard lining of your teeth. To remove this hard layer is necessary to go to the dentist to clean these bacteria adhere to the surface of the teeth. But many people, especially adults, tend to be busy and may not get the time to visit the dentist. Well, you should not worry anymore, because the scale has a much more natural solution that can be done from your home. If you cannot visit a dentist for some reason, try one of these natural remedies that share then so will prevent tartar from spreading and damaging more than your oral health. Natural remedies to remove tartar without leaving your home. 1. Bicarbonate of sodium. This is the ingredient used against plaque. What you do is pour some baking soda in a bowl, dip the brush and place on the baking so that it adheres and then brush. You can add a little salt to repower the effects. 2. Mouthwash with baking soda. What you need is the following: 1/2 cup baking soda, 1 cup water, 4 tablespoons natural glycerin, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Mix everything and keep it in a jar. Use twice a day. 3. Strawberries and tomatoes, great sources of vitamin C. You rub directly on the scale, then leave the application for 5 minutes and rinse with water. To prevent it is advisable to brush your teeth well. You can also floss regularly to remove more effectively bacteria. You can also eat a lot of spicy food. This produces more saliva and promotes natural hygiene.